Hello everyone, we will start with the new chapter amines. Amines are nitrogen containing organic compounds having a basic character. Amines are present in structure of many natural compounds like proteins, vitamins, hormones and many plant products like nicotine. The amines are classified as a primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Their structures are obtained in simple way by replacing 1, 2 or the 3 hydrogen atoms of NH3 molecule by alkyl or the aryl group. For example, primary amine, name of the functional group is amino, that is NH2, that means one hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule is replaced by means of one alkyl group. For example, C2H5NH2, common name is ethyl amine. Secondary amine, that is a imino, that is NH, that means two hydrogen atoms of NH3 are replaced by means of two alkyl groups. Thus CH3 attached to nitrogen and one hydrogen, dimethylamine. Tertiary amine, that is N, that means the three hydrogen atoms of ammonia molecule are replaced by means of three alkyl group, CH3 attached to nitrogen, that is trimethylamine. Secondary and tertiary amines are further classified as a simple or symmetrical amine and mixed or unsymmetrical amines. For example, simple amine, that is CH3 by 3N, three alkyl groups that are same, that are methyl group, and hence it is a simple amine or symmetrical amine. Whereas C2H5NH3, here there are two alkyl groups, methyl and ethyl group, both are different and hence it is a mixed amine or the unsymmetrical amine. Amines are also divided into two major classes, namely aliphatic and aromatic amine, on the basis of the nature of the group attached to nitrogen atom. For example, to the nitrogen atom, alkyl groups are attached, C2H5 NH C2H5, thus it is a type of aliphatic amine, whereas C6H5NH2, that means to the nitrogen atom, one benzene ring is attached, benzene or the phenyl group is attached, then it is called as aromatic amine. Nomenclature of these amines, common names. Common names of aliphatic amines are given by writing the names of alkyl group followed by suffix amine, that is alkyl amine. In the case of mixed amines, the names of alkyl groups are written in alphabetical order. If two or the three identical alkyl groups are attached to nitrogen atom, the prefix di or tri is added before the name of alkyl group. The parent aryl amine C6H5NH2 is named as aniline. Other aromatic amines are named as derivatives of aniline. Then IUPAC names. In IUPAC system, primary amines are named by replacing the ending E of the parent alkane by suffix amine, alkylamine. A locant indicating the position of amino group is added before the suffix amine. When two or more amino groups are present, the prefix di, tri, etc. are used with a proper locant. Secondary or tertiary amines are named as N-substituted derivatives of primary amines. The largest alkyl group attached to nitrogen is taken as a parent alkane and other alkyl group as a nitrogen substituent. While naming aryl amines, ending E of arene is replaced by amine. The common name of aniline is also accepted by IUPAC system. Now see the table examples. Primary amine. First one, CH3NH2. Common name is methylamine. This compound contains alkyl group methyl containing single carbon atom, and thus parent hydrocarbon is methane, and therefore replacing E of methane by amine. Methanamine is the IUPAC name of this compound. Second one, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Common name N-propylamine. Now this molecule contains 3 number of carbon atoms, and therefore parent alkane is propane, and hence propan 1 amine. To the first one carbon, NH2 group is attached, and therefore propan 1 amine. Next one, CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. Common name is isopropylamine, and IUPAC name is propan 2 amine. Next one, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Common name ethylidene diamine, and IUPAC name, as it contains 2 number of carbon atom corresponding alkane, is a ethane, and hence ethane 1,2 diamine. As it contains 2 NH2 group, it is a diamine. Next one, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 NH2. Common name is allylamine, and IUPAC name is propan prop 2 in 1 amine. Then to the NH2 group, C6H5O group is attached. The common name is aniline or phenylamine, and IUPAC name is aniline or benzanamine. Next one, to the NH2 group, C6H5 group is attached, and in this case again one hydrogen atom is replaced by means of Br, thus C6H4Br. The common name is para-bromoaniline. IUPAC name is 4-bromoaniline. Secondary amines. Secondary amines CH3, NHCH3. Common name is dimethylamine. IUPAC name is N-methylmethanamine. C6H5, NHC6H5, diphenylamine, and IUPAC name is N-phenylbenzanamine. Tertiary amines CH3N, CH3CH3. Common name is trimethylamine. IUPAC name is N, dimethylmethanamine. Then next one, to the nitrogen atom, 2 methyl groups are attached and 1 C6H5 group is attached. The common name is N, dimethyl-aniline, and IUPAC name is N-dimethyl-benzanamine. Preparation of amines. First one preparation, that is by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of excess ammonia, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which the halogen atom is replaced by amino group to form a primary amine. This process of breaking of CX bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis. The reaction is also known as alkylation of ammonia. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin temperature. Thus, Rx plus NH3 alcoholic excess, on heating it gives RNH2, that is a primary amine. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide with ammonia is alkyl iodide is greater than alkyl bromide is greater than alkyl chloride. Second one method, that is reduction of nitro compounds. Aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced to primary amine by using metal acid mixture or catalytic hydrogenation with hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium or LiAlH4 in ether. Thus, RNO2 plus 6 hydrogen atom, nascent hydrogen atom in presence of SnHCl gives rise to RNH2 plus twice H2O. Third one, that is the reduction of alkyl cyanide. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol. This is known as Mendeus reduction. The reaction can also be brought about by lithium aluminum hydride. Thus, RCN plus 4 nascent hydrogen atom in presence of sodium and ethanol, or LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride, it gives RCH2NH2, that is a primary amine. Next preparation, that is by reduction of amides. Amides, these are the organic compounds containing CONH2 group. Primary amine having a same number of carbon atom can be obtained by the reduction of amides by LiAlH4 in ether or by sodium in ethanol. Thus, CH3CONH2 acetamide plus 4 hydrogen atom, nascent hydrogen atom in presence of LiAlH4 in ether or sodium in ethanol, it gives CH3CH2NH2 ethyl amine. Next preparation, that is a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This method is used for the synthesis of primary amine. It involves the following 3 steps. First one, formation of potassium salt of phthalimide from phthalimide on reaction with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Second one, formation of N-alkyl phthalimide from potassium salt of reaction with alkyl halide. Third one, alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl phthalimide to form a corresponding primary amine. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by phthalimide. Next, that is by Hofmann degradation, Hofmann rearrangement, or Hofmann bromamide degradation, or Hofmann hypobromite degradation. This is a good laboratory method for the conversion of an amide into primary amine containing 1 carbon less. The reaction is brought about by warming the amide with bromine and concentrated aqueous KOH solution. Thus, RCONH2 plus Br2 plus 4 KOH aqueous condition on heating, it gives RNH2 plus twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. Thus, primary amine can be prepared by this method. For example, acetamide CH3CONH2 plus Br2 plus 4 KOH aqueous on heating, it gives CH3NH2 methylamine plus twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. Physical properties of amines: intermolecular forces and boiling points and solubility. The NH bond in amine is polar because the electronegativities of nitrogen, that is 3.0, and hydrogen, that is 2.1, are different. Due to the polar nature of NH bond, primary and secondary amines have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is to greater extent in primary amine than in secondary amines because primary amines have 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to nitrogen for hydrogen bond formation. Tertiary amine do not have intermolecular hydrogen bonding as there is no hydrogen atom or nitrogen of tertiary amine, but due to the polar N-C bond, the tertiary amines are polar molecules and have intermolecular dipole-dipole attractive forces. Thus, intermolecular force of attraction are strongest in primary amines and weakest in the tertiary amines. The observed order of boiling point of isomeric amine is: primary amine is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. It can be explained on the basis of intermolecular forces in them. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with a fishy odor, middle members are liquids, and higher members are solids under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless liquid but get colored as they are easily oxidized by air. Due to their ability to form a hydrogen bond with a water molecule, lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. Solubility of amines decreases with increase in molecular mass of amines due to increase in size of hydrophobic alkyl group. Aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amines are insoluble in water. Since NH bond in amines are less polar than oxygen hydrogen bond OH bond in alcohol, water solubilities of alcohol, amines and alkanes of comparable molar mass in water are in the decreasing order. That means alcohols are greater than amines are greater than the alkanes. The order of boiling points of alkane, amines and alcohols and carboxylic acids of comparable molar mass is as follows. Alkanes are less than amines are less than alcohols are less than carboxylic acids. Basicity of amines. The basic nature of amines is due to the presence of a lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. In terms of Lewis theory, amines are bases because they can share a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom with an electron deficient species. For example, trimethylamine shares its lone pair of electrons with the electron deficient boron trifluoride. Me3n plus Bf3 giving rise to Me3NBF3. Basic strength of aliphatic amines. Order of pKb values. NH3 is more than NH3 RNH2 greater than R2NH and less than R3N. Order of basic strength, that is NH3 is less than RNH2, less than R2NH and greater than R3N. Thus, as per the observed pKb values of the aliphatic amines, secondary amines are the strongest bases. Basic strength increases as we move from NH3 to RNH2 and from RNH2 to R2NH. But basic strength decreases as we move from R2NH to R3N. Basicity of amines is related to the structural effect which influence the stabilization of various species. Greater is the stabilization of the protonated amine, that is the conjugate acid, greater is the basicity of amines. First one, influence of plus I effect on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amine and NH3. An alkyl group exerts the electron releasing inductive effect plus I effect which stabilizes the positive charge on atom bonded to it. As we move from conjugate acid of ammonia NH4 positive to that of tertiary amine R3NH positive, the number of alkyl groups are bonded to nitrogen goes on increasing steadily, and this results in increasing stabilization of the conjugate acid and thereby by increasing order of basic strength is expected. Order of stabilization: NH4 positive less than R, NH3 positive less than R2, NH2 positive less than R3NH. Expected order of basic strength: NH3 less than R, NH2 less than R2NH less than R3N. Influence of solvation by water on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amines and ammonia can be explained as in the given structure. The solvent water stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding through the hydrogen bonded to the nitrogen, and thus the number of hydrogen atoms bonded to N positive decreases from 4 in NH4 positive to 1 in R3 NH positive, and as a result NH4 positive is the best stabilized by solvation, while the stabilization by solvation is very poor in R3 NH positive. Combined influence of Plassey effect and solvation on stabilization. If conjugate acid of aliphatic amine decides the observed basic strength and pKb values. These two influencing factors operate in opposite direction. The net result is that as we move from NH3 to RNH2 to R2NH, the basic strength increases due to the better stabilization of corresponding conjugate acids, but tertiary amine is weaker base than secondary amine because the stabilization of conjugate acid of tertiary amine by solvation is very poor. In aryl amines, the NH2 group is attached directly to an aromatic ring. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is conjugated to the aromatic ring and is less available for the protonation, and thus this makes the aniline as a weaker base than the aliphatic amines and ammonia. Chemical properties of amines. First one, alkylation of amines. Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation. When a primary amine is heated with excess of primary alkyl halide, it gives a mixture of secondary amine, tertiary amine along with a tetraalkyl ammonium halide. Thus, RNH2 with RX, it gives R2NH secondary amine. Again it gives R3 and tertiary amine, and with again next RX molecule it gives R4NX, N carrying positive charge, X carrying negative charge, tetraalkyl ammonium halide. If excess of alkyl halide is used, tetraalkyl ammonium halide is obtained as a major product. The reaction is known as exhaustive alkylation of amines. The tetraalkyl ammonium halides are called quaternary ammonium salt, which are crystalline solid. They are the derivative of ammonium salt, in which all the 4 hydrogen atoms attached to nitrogen in NH4 positive are replaced by 4 alkyl group. May be same, may be the different. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines consumes 3, 2 and 1 mole of alkyl halide respectively to get converted into quaternary ammonium salt. The reaction is carried out in presence of mild base NaHCO3 to neutralize the large quantity of HX formed. If the alkyl halide is methyl iodide, the reaction is called as exhaustive methylation of amine. For example, when methylamine is heated with excess methyl iodide, it gives a tetramethyl ammonium iodide. CH3NH2 plus CH3I on heating, it gives CH3 by 2NH plus HI. Hofmann elimination. 1. Tetraalkyl ammonium halide is heated with the moist silver oxide. It gives quaternary ammonium hydroxide, which is strong basic like NaH and or KOH. Quaternary ammonium hydroxides on strong heating undergoes beta elimination to give an alkene. The reaction is called as Hofmann elimination. The least substituted alkene is obtained as a major product. Acylation of amines. Aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines undergo acylation reaction. These amines contain a replaceable hydrogen atoms on the nitrogen atom. These hydrogen atoms are replaced by acyl group such as acetyl group. On the reaction of amines with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, acetyl derivative of amine is obtained. It is also called amide. Amide is less basic than the amine. Acylation is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. The reaction is carried out in presence of strong base like pyridine, which neutralizes the acid produced during reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines on heating with the chloroform gives a foul smelling product called alkyl or aryl isocyanides or carbyl amines. This reaction is the test for primary amines. Secondary and tertiary amines do not use this reaction. Thus primary amine RNH2 plus CHCl3 plus thrice KOH on heating, it gives RNC alkyl isocyanide plus thrice KCl plus thrice H2O. Next chemical property, that is a reaction with nitrous acid. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines react differently with nitrous acid. Aliphatic primary amine on reaction with nitrous acid form aliphatic diazonium salt as very unstable intermediates which decompose immediately by reaction with solvent water. Corresponding alcohol is formed as the product of the reaction and nitrogen gas is liberated. Thus, RNH2 plus HNO2 nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, it gives RN2Cl alkyl diazonium chloride and it gives ROH plus N2 plus HCl. Aromatic primary amine reacts with a nitrous acid to form a diazonium salts which have reasonable stability at 273 Kelvin. Thus, C6H5NH2 plus HNO2 at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, it gives C6H5N triple bond NCl. Reactions of aryl diazonium salt. Aryl diazonium salt show the two types of reaction. First one, reactions involving displacement of diazo group. The diazonium group N2 positive is a very good leaving group due to the positive charge on nitrogen atom bonded to aromatic ring. As a result, the aryl diazonium salt undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with a variety of nucleophiles. Thus, first one reaction, Sandmeier's reaction, that is ArN2X in presence of CuCl and HCl, it gives ArCl plus N2. Gattermann's reaction, that is ArN2X with copper powder and HCl, it gives ArCl and plus H2. Isoaryl formation, ArN2Cl in presence of Ki, it gives ArI plus N2. Mild reduction, ArN2Cl in presence of H3PO2 and H2O, it gives ARH plus N2 plus H3PO3 plus HCl. Phenol formation, ArN2Cl in presence of H2O at 283 Kelvin, it gives AROH plus N2 plus HCl. Second one, reactions involving retention of diazo group, coupling reaction. These are salt when treated with a certain reactive aromatic compound such as a phenol or aromatic amine gives azo compounds. These have extended conjugated system of double bond in which the two aromatic rings are joined through azo group N double bond N. The reaction is called as azo coupling. Azo compounds are brightly colored and are used as dyes. This is an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Thus, C6H5N positive triple bond NCl negative plus phenol, it gives C6H5N double bond N C6H5OH plus HCl, para hydroxyazobenzene. Then the azo coupling with beta-naphthol in NaOH is used as a confirmative test for the primary aromatic amine C6H5N triple bond NCl plus aniline. In presence of base, it gives C6H5N double bond N attached to C6H4NH2 and plus HCl. Electrophilic aromatic substitution in aromatic amines. Amino group is ortho and para-directing and powerful ring activating group. As a result, aromatic amines readily undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. First one, that is a bromination. Bromination, that is a replacement of hydrogen atom by means of bromine group. Aniline reacts with bromine water at a room temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Thus, aniline with bromine water gives 2,4,6 tribromoaniline plus HBr. Second one, reaction, that is the nitration. Nitration, that means replacement of hydrogen atom by NO2 group. Direct nitration of aniline yields a mixture of ortho, meta and para nitroanilines. In acidic medium, NH2 group is protonated to NH3 positive group, which is a meta-directing and deactivating. Hence, considerable amount of meta-nitroaniline is obtained. Thus, aniline gives para-nitroaniline 51% and meta-nitroaniline as a 47 and ortho only 2%. Third one reaction, sulfonation. Alanine react with a concentrated sulfuric acid to form aluminium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with the sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 Kelvin produces a para-amino benzene sulfonic acid as a major product. Thus, C6H5NH2 with H2SO4, it gives C6H5NH3HSO4 at heating at 453 to 473 Kelvin. It gives C6H4NH2SO3H, and finally it gives a zwitter ion, that is C6H4NH3 positive SO3 negative. Sulfonilic acid exists as a salt called dipolar ion or a zwitter ion. It is produced by a reaction between an acidic group and basic group present in the same molecule.